What is going on, guys? I'm on my way to meet up with Rafa, I think Mez, maybe Will. I'm about to go meet up with them at the bridge, and then we're heading out to the Used Bikes Direct, like bikes and coffee. I'm a little bit late right now, but I'm a little bit late. I don't know what this guy's doing either. That stupid dog is in the street again. Oh my gosh, this road, dude. Holy moly. Yo, what is wrong with these dogs, bro? What is wrong with y'all, bro? Those dogs are gonna get killed one day. Damn, I'm so late, bro. Yeah, this road sucks. Oh my god, I'm just bouncing up and down. Pause! Pause, brother! Oh man, I'm just late to this meet. I don't know. It seems like it's gonna be the only meet that happens today just because of the rain. It looks like it's gonna be raining the whole day, so Used Bikes Direct, Bikes and Coffee is gonna be the only meet today, unless it doesn't rain. Ah! Ah! But True Vision's 300K Dynase meet was gonna be at, I want to say like 2, 3, and then the Texas 2K after party was at 9, but it stops raining at 8, so it's not gonna give the.
That's the sound of the police.
And now I got a cop behind me, bro. Oh, never mind. Well, it's good to see the cops don't really care, because I'm not used to them. Like, I was told they look out for bikes and cars, but bro, I sped right past him. There's no traffic. That's a good thing. There's usually traffic every time I merge onto this freeway. It's annoying. I'm excited to meet up with the boys. This is probably the last time that I'm riding with them this weekend. I low-key want to go to Texas 2K. I'm not sure if I'll be riding to it, but I want to go to Texas 2K. So, I don't know who else wants to go, but I know I do. I want to go buy merch, and I want to watch second or third lane from right. Oh yeah, I gotta go to Wacko Denton. What the f, bro? Holy frick, bro. Oh my gosh, dude. Woo! That was real close, dude. Oh my god, I felt stuck. I didn't know what to do because I had a car coming up on the right. I couldn't go left because they came to a complete stop. Like, bro, I almost got crushed. Holy moly, dude. Oh my god, I'm tearing up, bro. That was really close, dude. Holy moly. This is why I say above the flow of traffic, dude. This is why I do not sit in traffic like that, dude. Yo, imagine that was a bike in front of that truck. You would have just crushed the bike. That's insane, dude. About to pull up on them right now. Let's see. I apologize for that because I am late. I mean, they said kickstands up at 9:30, but all they're doing is waiting on me, so I should have left a little bit earlier. What's going on, bro? Good? Yeah.
There's a gap cam if I need it.
Yeah, that's perfect. For when I race you and I gap you, basically. With the boys right now. We're about to head out to the Used Bikes Direct meet after we get some gas, brother. Oh. Yes, sir! Hell yeah, brother. Oh, bro, I hope they have food there, man. My diet here has been absolutely awful. Bro, I haven't been eating at all, so that's life. But if anything, I'll break off from Used Bikes Direct and go get me a nice little bagel. Give me a bagel.
Oh my gosh. Wow. We made it there in a timely manner, I'll put it that way. Jeez, bro. I feel like we just left there like 7 minutes ago. No, we probably did, actually. Pulling up to Used Bikes Direct right now. A decent turnout. Decent turnout, oh yeah.
What's going on, bro? What's going on?
Yeah, if people line up perfectly, then we'll fit more people in here.
Yeah. So we made it to the Used Bikes Direct meet. Used Bikes Direct, that's my boy Daniel right there. He's the kind gentleman. Kind gentleman. Who do I think I am? He's the kind man who lent me the bikes to test out. But yeah, the meet was pretty successful here. You know, we got a bunch of California guys out here, SoCal V4R. Yeah, we got a bunch of people. I can't even like I can't even say all the names, bro. I've met so many people today. So we're about to head out with Mez though. He's gonna take us on a little Dallas loop, and yeah, we're gonna do our thing. All right, man, we're heading out with Mez right now. Yeah, Amy on the I like your bike. Heading out with all the creators. Got a bunch of other, like, everybody's heading out. Got an M1K right there. Where's Will at? Oh, Will's on the R1. Look at him. Oh, look at him. He looks so good on the R1, bro. Yeah, it's raining now, though, so we'll see how the footage looks. Oh, with the backpack, bro! Yo, that's crazy! Yo, he's doing wheelies on the M1K with the backpack. That's crazy, bro. Yo, go ahead! Knee knocker, go, go, go! Yes, sir! Woo! Yeah, everybody's wheeling out here. Damn! Oh my gosh, bro! Yeah, that's about to be crazy, dog. These guys are wild, bro. I have no skill sets for this. I'm just cruising, dog. Ooh, glad I could find a gas pump in a timely manner. Yeah, I need some new gloves, dog. This is horrendous. Yes, sir, rolling out with Mez. It's mad wet, so we just gotta be careful. Oh, it's raining now. Let's see how the footage comes out. If it comes out bad or it comes out rain spectacles on the lens, hey, it's just, I apologize. But it's gonna be a good video nonetheless. Oh yeah, bro! Oh my god, bro! He's just controlling that thing, bro! He's just controlling it, dude. Look at him go. Oh my god, bro. He's basically like 12 o'clock, dude. Sheesh. Yes, sir. Oh my god. giant pack of bikes behind him. That's a sick group ride though. Yo, Mez is crazy. Oh my god! Oh my god! Yo, we're crazy, bro.
1 minute, 37 seconds later.
Oh yeah. Oh, I just got splattered in the eye with water. William, you blinded me. Bro, this is garbage, man. Woo-hoo-hoo! Yo, we look crazy right now. Yo, we look crazy, bro. Woo-hoo! Yo, honestly, this is a vibe, bro. This is a vibe. As scared as I am, this is a vibe. Oh, I'm getting wet, bro! Yo, my ass is so wet, dog. My visor's fogging. Damn, bro! Yo, my butt is so wet. Yo, we're pulling up to the True Vision meet, though. 300K meet. I'm pretty sure we're gonna be the only guys there. But that's okay. Because we're trying to go to Dallas after, but this rain is not letting up, dog. It's not letting up. This is crazy. Tomorrow's gonna be nicer though. Yo, Ave is wild. Yo, this dude was trying to do a wheelie. Oh, my vibes are just fogged up, bro. I can't do any excessive yelling or talking. It's fogging. You're riding during a thunderstorm is crazy, bro. I didn't expect any of the Dallas boys to be out right now. I'm here to ride. Yeah, we're real riders, brother. Real riders. Well, is I Use Bikes Direct? Hi. Oh my god, I'm getting cold. Oh my gosh. Whoa, this is fun. All sarcasm. This is scary. And I'm cold. And my head is itchy, bro. Woo! Oh, my gloves are soaked, bro. Yo, Amy's shirt is so wet, it's flapping, bro. Look at that. Yo. Yo, Chelina out here chilling in the truck. Ah! Ah! Pause! Oh my gosh, bro. Yeah, I love it. He has like a bunch of wet and then just one dry spot. Oh, I do too. Oh my god. Yo, is that Jixer, bro, dog? Bro, I couldn't see.
So much fun, but us. Every car was having the time of their life.
Yeah, they were just filming us tortured.
That was horrible, bro.
I couldn't see. Oh, your glasses are fogging up too.
Straight when I was riding.
Oh, okay. Oh my gosh, bro, everything is soaked.